Hello everybody. So let's talk about a difference between a model line and a detail line in Revit. So both are the line type that we use in Revit. But why do we have a different name for a model line and for a detail line? So as you know, Revit follows real-time modeling, which means whenever you draw a component in one view, you will see that component in all the other related views. So what if we want to draw something that we only want to see in one view? For example, we want to make some details, we want to make some 2D details, and we want all of those details totally detached from all the other views, because that's just a part of detailing that we want to do. In that case, we use a detail line. So the main difference between a model line and a detail line is model line is a 3D component. Model line is a line that you will see in all the views. So if you draw a model line in one view, you will see that line in all the other views. So for example, if I draw a model line, so for to pick a model line, you need to go to the architecture tab, and then you have a model line option under the model components. So if I select a model line and then I draw a model line in one view, you can see that line in 3D view. That's because it's a model line, and as I mentioned, all the model components will be shown in all the other views if that is drawn in one view. So as I mentioned, sometimes we want to draw a details that we only want to see in one view. In that case, we use a detail line. So to pick a detail line, you need to go to the annotate, and then in under the annotate tab you have a option, or you have a section which we call detail section. So everything that you see in the detail section is 2D components, is everything that is not a 3D component, which means is detached from all the other view. So let's draw a detail line and let's see a difference. So here I'm drawing a detail line, but you cannot see these detail line in your 3D view. That's the main difference between a model line and a detail line. One is a 2D component, other is a 3D component. As I already mentioned you, that why do we need these two? Sometimes we don't want our details to get attached with all the other views. Sometimes we want to create a detail that is totally detached from the model, but we do need that in project. So that's the main difference. I hope that clears your confusion about a detail line and model line. See you in my next video.